Right, it's time to get after the weeds. I'm pretty impressed with the fact that there's not that many weeds really. I mean, I'm just going to rake them up and I'm sure they're going to come up really, really easy. So that's good. This is the worst bit here. The worst of them actually are the poppies. They come up everywhere. But let's get after this, and if we can get this done today, I'll be really happy. All right, we've been at it for about, I'd say an hour and a half, and we've done all the weeding in the front. We're all good to go here for some new plants to come in, fill in some of these spaces. I've cleaned up that bit of weed blanket that was down here hanging about at the end of this walkway. I'm ready for the ranunculus to go in here. I think the last thing I'm going to do is plant that allium. Where am I going to put it? I think I'm going to put it right here. Right there. Right there. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, changed my mind. I'm going to put it right here where it can shine in the middle of all of this, just behind the boxwoods. There we go. And there we have it. It's in the ground. Sweet little thing. Got some soil acidifier down for these boxwoods, which haven't grown a whip since I put them in 2 years ago. Just got to water that in, and I'm done. Another good day's work in the garden.